Hi everyone, welcome to Java Power Labs. As we started the journey of Java 21, so till now we have discussed 5 features of Java 21. So today we are going to discuss sixth feature, that is Generational ZGC. Before understanding Generational ZGC, let us try to understand what is ZGC. ZGC is a J garbage collector, is a scalable low latency garbage collector. ZGC performs all expensive work concurrently without stopping the execution of application threads for more than a millisecond. It is suitable for applications which require low latency. ZGC was initially introduced as an experimental feature in JDK 11 and was declared as production ready in JDK 15. Let us go to the next steps. What is low latency? Low latency is the time span between the user's activity to the system's response to the activity. Okay, let us start with the discussion of Generational ZGC. Generational ZGC is an enhancement to the J garbage collector introduced in Java 21. Before Java 21, ZGC was non-generational, meaning it treated all objects equally regardless of their age. In Java 21, ZGC became generational, separating objects into young and old generations. Okay. Next, why was generational ZGC was introduced? Most objects in Java applications are short-lived. For example, if we declare in a method, we are declaring string message is equal to hello, this kind of objects will be die quickly. Okay, so these kind of objects are called like young generation kind of. Okay, studies shows that more objects die young, only small percentage survive for long time. The old ZGC had to scan all the objects frequently, which increased CPU usage. Okay, so Generational ZGC optimizes this by collecting young objects more frequently. Okay, so let us discuss what is young generation. Young generation contains newly created objects. For example, string message is equal to new string of Java. This object is initially allocated in the young generation. Okay, so what is old generation? Objects that survive several young collections are promoted to the old generation. Here we need to understand, suppose we have created some objects, okay, and after creating the objects, and let us assume that garbage collector is running after some time. Okay, so in that one, like some young generation objects will be garbage collected. Okay, so here when we say young generation means like whichever not having the reference to the objects, they are garbage collected. Because since once we declare the object and its work is over, so it is free, so we can garbage collect that. Okay, similarly, like after execution of some the application, some objects will be left, okay, without reference, so those kind of objects will be garbage collected. Okay, sorry. So in the similar way, like normally which some of the objects which are not garbage collected, those kind of objects are called old generation objects. Okay, for example, private static final map of string objects cache is equal to new hash map, we have declared like this. So this kind of cache objects stored in caches often lived for long time. Okay, yeah, that's it for Generational ZGC. Thank you.